Okay, hi friends. So I'm so excited. I just got the Knack backpack travel bag, which will replace my very fancy bag that I bought for when I travel to professional events. But it's on my shoulder, so I strap it on my shoulder and it ends up getting really heavy and it's no good. So let's see what we got here. Open it up. Comes with little QR code that you can find out what's in it. Nice little pouch. Keep it clean. This is so nice. It's so nice. I love it. And then here, the straps come out so you can hide them. And then they attach right there. Easy. Oh, and let's see, in the front. Oh, for your keys, for your pens, little pocket, for your passport, for your book, I guess, phone. Little pen holders. You can stick your computer actually right here in this little pocket and then just cover it up like that. Very cool. Here we have a little pocket. Oh, I bet it's for your water bottle. They have this cute little saying, you're not hiking, so don't look like a hiker. Here is the bigger pocket, and the cool thing about this is, so there's two compartments, two big compartments. You can put your computer in here, because this is all nice and it has a little fleece lining, or in here. No, not big enough, but you can put your cords and stuff in here. And then I guess we'll have to use the QR code to find out what that's for. And then here, let's roll this up real quick, is where you would put your clothes, and then to expand it, look at that. It's a whole other one. Holy moly. Wow, that's actually really cool. I would put my computer in there, to be honest with you, because you can just one zip. You don't have to open anything else up. And then to expand it, oh, here it is. Everything is so nicely covered here under the big compartment. There's a section that, there you go, all the way around. And that expands so that now you have room to put and make this like a little carry-on. So you can put, this is great for a weekend, or if you're a really good packer, then for a few days. This unclicks. Wow, this is great. So thank you for coming with me on the discovery of the Knack.